Hey guys, so right now I'm just sketching out the pieces I'm gonna have to cut out for this design I'm about to make, and I just drew out basically all the different pattern pieces I'm gonna be doing. So I have my front, my back, my pants, my pockets, and then I'm adding some ruching on the side, so I put that down for like the strings. And then I added the details I'm gonna have, so I'm gonna have gathers on the front, the back, and on the pants, just to have it be have that like gathered baggy look. And then I'm also gonna have 2 darts and some buttons on the front, and then I'm gonna do a crisscross in the back. So yeah, I just wrote down all the pieces that I'm gonna need. So yeah, now I'm about to cut them all out using a rub off pattern technique that I learned in my class, and then I'm gonna transfer the rub off pattern onto pattern paper so I can have it on pattern paper too, and then I can start working in the fabric. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now, and I'll see you guys in the next part of this. Okay, so I'm doing the front right now, and I just added this dart because I'm gonna have a dart in the front, and I was just adjusting the length and like the width because I'm going to be gathering it at the bottom. So like right here it's gonna have gathers, which is why I made it a little bit longer, because I'm gonna be bringing it in anyways. So yeah, and then I also fixed or changed the neckline because I ended up drawing it out with the scoop, but then I realized I wanted it to be a V, so I just made it a V instead. So that's what we're doing right now. Now I'm about to cut it out and then do the back and the other pieces I have to do.